Olaina. I'm doing an experiment on the dry ice crystal bubble as me and my partner Kimberly, which is not here, we call it the glowing crystal globe. So, my materials are dry ice, which is in this cooler here, a large bowl with a rounded rim, bubble solution, which I'm going to make later on, dishwashing liquid, which is here, and heavy gloves, a long narrow piece of cloth, warm water, which could be toxic or not, which ours is. I'm going to put the toxic in. Alright, to start the experiment, I need to mix 2 tablespoons of dishwasher liquid. So I'm just going to do that right now, which it will make our bubble solution. Alright. Oh, need a little bit more. Okay. I'm just going to mix that now with my finger. Nice and slowly. And since the water is not very soapy right now, I'm going to add a little bit more dishwasher liquid. And mix again. Okay. And I already have my strip, which I am going to soak inside my solution that I just made. And if you were wondering, I have this cloth here so I won't make a mess, because I am very capable of that. So, next thing, I'm going to try to soak my cloth in the soapy water. I'm going to make sure the entire cloth is submerged in the solution. Then, I'm just going to move on to the next step. I have my bowl with the smooth rim, and I don't need a clear bowl or bucket, but I managed to find one. And I have the clear bucket so that you can see what's actually going on inside of my experiment that I'm doing. I have to make sure my bowl is half full with warm water, which it is. Then, I'm going to add the glow sticks now. My favorite part, because I love glowing in the dark. Just going to crack these back and forth. And place them right inside the bowl. Each one has to be cracked. Actually, it's in the color. Next. And after this, move on to our next step. Trying to show you a step-by-step process of what is happening, and me and my partner Kimberly's experience. Even though she is not recently here, glow. I don't know about y'all, but I do. I'm going to make sure they're all cracked, which they are. So. Now, using heavy gloves or tongs, I'm going to transfer 2 or 3 pieces of dry ice into warm water. But since I don't have tongs and I have gloves, I'm just going to use my handy scissors. And instead of 2 or 3 pieces, I'm just going to take one big glob, because our hypothesis is that the bigger the dry ice we put in our bowl, the bigger our bubble will come out. And the longer it will remain into bubble form. Perfect. Put this back up. And you can see the oozing fog spreading all over the table. It's really awesome. I'm going to dip 1 or 2 fingers, which I choose 2, the more the better, right, into the solution and run it around the lip, which is the rim of my bowl. Now, be careful not to get soap in the water, otherwise I will have to end up doing another experiment. The next thing I'm going to do is remove the strip of cloth from my solution and run the cloth between my thumb and forefinger to remove excess. So that's this. Next, I'm going to stretch the cloth between my hands and slowly put the slopey cloth across the rim of the bowl. As you can see, my bubble is forming. You see it? So, this is awesome. Now, our hypothesis is the more dry ice, the larger the bubble, and the longer the span time of it not popping. So, it could take a little practice, which you saw me rubbing the cloth around. Whoa, it popped. That's awesome, right? Well, it took a little practice for me to rub the cloth around the rim. I had to do it twice. And yeah. Next thing, once I made the soap field, it will start to expand as you saw, and eventually pop. I'm going to do another one. Bubble. And I'm going to see how long it forms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 38 seconds until a bubble pop, which is actually longer than the other time when I did it. See the oozing. See the fog. It's awesome. And as you see, the cloud of smoke has popped. This is awesome. Peace.